Imagine traveling from the line to NEOM in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. Not by plane, not by train, but inside a silent capsule moving faster than a jet on the ground. Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 is not just building cities. It is redefining how humans move across nations. And at the center of this transformation is a technology that could change transportation forever: the Hyperloop. Why this matters to the world? Across history, great civilizations were built on transportation: Roman roads, Silk Road trade routes, modern highways and railways. Today, Saudi Arabia is attempting something never done before. Under Vision 2030, the kingdom is creating megaprojects on a scale unmatched in human history. NEOM, a $500 billion futuristic region powered by artificial intelligence. The Line, a 170-kilometer linear city with zero cars and zero carbon. The Red Sea Project, a global hub of sustainable tourism. These cities are not only for Saudi Arabia. They are blueprints for how future civilizations may live. That is why what Saudi Arabia builds today will influence the world tomorrow. Problem: the hidden weakness. But there is one major obstacle: distance. These megaprojects are separated by hundreds of kilometers of harsh desert. Even with modern highways and airports, travel still takes hours. Time is lost, energy is wasted, economic growth slows. A futuristic nation cannot rely on old transportation models. Without ultra-fast mobility, even the smartest cities remain isolated islands. Saudi Arabia does not need faster roads. It needs a transportation revolution. Saudi planners realized that high-speed rail alone is not enough. Future cities demand future mobility. They needed something beyond trains, roads, and airplanes. A completely new category of transport. Hyperloop moves passenger pods inside near-vacuum tubes using magnetic levitation. With almost no friction or air resistance, speeds can exceed 1,000 kilometers per hour, faster than jets. On land. For a nation building cities at continental scale, this technology offers the only speed capable of matching its ambition. Building Hyperloop in Saudi Arabia is one of the hardest engineering challenges on Earth. Extreme heat above 50 degrees C, violent sandstorms, shifting dunes. Engineers must design sealed tubes that block sand intrusion. Elevated pylons lift tracks above moving terrain. Underground corridors shield systems from heat and storms. This is not ordinary construction. It is frontier engineering. Saudi Arabia is exploring revolutionary construction methods: AI-guided surveying and alignment, automated tunnel boring machines, prefabricated tube segments for rapid installation. Instead of slow traditional building, infrastructure becomes precision engineered at industrial speed. Now imagine the moment it becomes reality. A Hyperloop capsule departs NEOM. Minutes later, it arrives at the Line. Less than an hour later, it reaches Riyadh. What once took a full day now feels like crossing a city district. Saudi Arabia becomes a single hyperconnected megacity. Distance collapses. History changes direction. Hyperloop is not just about speed, it is about redesigning how nations grow. If Saudi Arabia succeeds, the world will follow. Future cities will be planned around minutes, not kilometers. Once, civilizations were built on roads. Tomorrow, they will be built on vision. Saudi Arabia is not waiting for the future. It is constructing it.